Sometimes you just want a really good cookie. Not a whole batch, not a mixer, not a pile of dishes, just one, maybe two bakery-style cookies that feel like an actual treat. That's exactly why we started making cookies this way, because baking for yourself should feel comforting, not complicated. All of these cookies use the same simple method. We spent a lot of time thinking about the details so you don't have to. The biggest thing is softened butter. Not melted, not cold, softened. That's what gives you a soft, tender cookie without needing a mixer. Everything comes together in one bowl, with small, reduced measurements that actually make sense when you're not baking for a crowd. No special equipment, no expert skills, just an easy dough that works every time. Once you understand this method, you can make whatever cookie you're craving without overthinking it. We'll start with the chocolate chip cookie because this is the comfort cookie. It's the one most people reach for first. Soft in the center, bakery style, and just the right size. The dough comes together quickly, the chocolate chips fold right in, and you end up with a cookie that feels familiar in the best way. This one is the baseline, and once you've got this, everything else builds from here. The sugar cookie dough is the clean, classic option. It's simple, soft, and really flexible. This is the base we reach for when we want something neutral that can go in a lot of different directions. The peanut butter cookie dough is rich and filling. It's the one you make when you want something that feels extra satisfying, the kind of cookie that actually feels like dessert. And the chocolate cookie dough is deep and cozy. It's more intense than chocolate chip, almost brownie-like, and perfect when you're really craving chocolate. Once you've got the base method down, it's easy to make these cookies your own. We've added lemon zest or sprinkles to the sugar cookies. We've mixed chocolate chips into the peanut butter cookie or used chunky peanut butter for extra texture. And we've added chocolate chips and peanut butter chips to the chocolate cookies dough. Same dough, same easy process. That flexibility is the whole point. If you're trying to decide which one to make, go with chocolate chip when you want classic comfort. Choose sugar cookie when you want something simple and adaptable. Peanut butter is perfect when you want rich and filling. And chocolate is the one for serious chocolate cravings. You really can't go wrong. It just depends on what you're in the mood for. These cookies were designed so baking for yourself feels easy and relaxed. One bowl, no mixer, no pressure. Make the one you want. Make it for yourself. Don't overthink it. And most importantly, enjoy the cookie because you deserve it.